What's up you guys, it's your girl Loverly and I am back with another video. You see the thumbnail and the title. I'm going to be reviewing another Temu balloon garland kit. So if you would like to see how the balloon garland turned out, make sure that you watch the full video. If you guys aren't subscribed to my channel already, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up and leave me your review down in the comment section below. I want to know how you feel about the final look, and I also want to know what you learned from today's video. Before we get into today's review, I want to go ahead and give a big shout out to Temu for sponsoring today's video. Here are some of the other items that I received from Temu. If you guys aren't familiar with Temu, they're a marketplace app where you can find any and everything that we will usually use on a daily basis. I got some car accessories for my brand new car. You can also find home and garden products, kitchen essentials, things to decorate your home with, things to clean your home with, every single thing you can think of, health and beauty products as well, just everything. You guys go ahead and check out the app. The direct link to the app will be down in my description box down below, as well as the link for all of the items that you're seeing on the screen. If you guys would like to save an extra 30% off your order, make sure that you use my code that's on the screen and also in my description box. Thank you again to Temu for sponsoring today's video, but without further ado, let's just get straight into today's review. Alright you guys, so in order for this review to go quick and easy, I'm going to be installing it on my wall back here. Here is a picture of how it looks on Temu's listing, but from the look of this, I know for sure that I won't be able to get that size from it. So we're going to create something out of this kit. So in the kit you have glue dot, ribbon, and a garland strip, but we don't use garland strips. I'm only going to be using the balloons, and I'm going to be inflating them using my electric inflator, and I'm going to create the garlands like I will usually create my other garlands. So let's just get straight into it and see what we have in this bag right here. We have some blush, some peach, chrome gold, and also some solid orange balloons. Those are all of the colors that come, and as you can see from the picture, that is how it's supposed to look. I think there's like 9 inch, 11 inches, 5 inches, and I think these are some 18 inches that came in the kit. So we're just going to inflate, and because on the picture they color blocked, so that is the style I'm going to go with. And I will just be alternating between the 11 inches and 9 inches, and then I'm going to be using the 5 inches to create fillers later on. So when I'm creating my balloon garlands, I don't like when my balloons have this cone shape, so I usually just deflate some air while pushing down on my balloon to get rid of this cone shape. And one of my balloons are always like a little bit smaller than the other, just to give my balloon garland an organic effect. So this is what we're working with, and I'm going to go ahead and inflate all of my balloons like this, and then come back and show you guys how I create my clusters. This is all I ended up with, which is definitely not enough to give you what the listing picture has, but it's enough to give me like a little garland. So I think I'm going to go ahead and freestyle it. I was going to just create one long garland and just put it up next to the wall, but I think I just want to go ahead and freestyle it. You know what I'm saying? Just probably, I'm gonna create something cute because this is not a lot. Like, it's literally, I don't even know if it's 100 balloons. And I lost like a good amount. I'm gonna show you guys that. But I lost a good amount of balloons. So whatever I have here is what I'm going to be using to create something cute. On my sign, they're like attachment that goes inside of the wall. So I attached some 260 balloons to it. And this is what I'm going to be using to put around my clusters as like a starting point. And then I'm going to go ahead and just tie in the rest of the clusters. So as I'm going along, if there's something that I think I need to mention, then I will mention it. But for the most part, I will be speeding up this part of the video just a little tad bit and adding the clusters so you guys can see the way how I do that. So this is what I came up with, and this is literally all of the balloons that came inside the kit except for whatever that's like popped in on the floor. So I'm gonna go in right now with my 5-inch fillers and fill in all of the spaces and just bring it all together, and then we're gonna be done. So these are my 5-inch fillers. I use my magenta machine to inflate the balloons at a 1.4. So this is the size that I ended up with, and all of the balloons are the same exact size. And I'm going to be using the glue dot that came inside of the balloon kit to attach the fillers onto the garland. So I just go in with the glue dot around 4, and then just stick them on there. So like that. Alright, you guys, so this is what I ended up doing with the Temu balloon garland kit. If you guys like the way it turned out, please let me know down in the comment section below. I think it's different, you know what I'm saying? It's not your usual balloon garland, and I think it could be used as a cute little backdrop for like a small event, you know what I'm saying? Not like what's on the picture, but it's still cute. And you guys, please remember to go ahead and check out Temu. Use my code to get an extra 30% off your order. The code will be here on the screen and also down in my description box below. Every item that you saw me unboxing earlier will also be linked down below in my description box. Let me know if you learned something from this video. If you guys aren't subscribed to my channel already, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and also, as I said earlier, leave me all your feedbacks down in the comment section below. But that is all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.